Hi, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to make these star beaded hoop earrings. So you just need a small selection of seed beads, a little charm, we're using a star here, a beading hoop and some sterling silver ear wires. With these beading hoops, very simply, they just pull, the wire just pulls out of one side like that. You'll then be able to just start adding your beads onto the hoop. I'm going to do 8 seed beads and then I'm going to add my charm. So when you've added all your beads on to your beading hoop, you just want to slide that wire back in, wiggle that back in, and to secure it you can use your chain nose pliers to just squeeze that and it will crimp down to secure it in place. You then need to add ear wire to this little loop here. So if you take your ear wire and with the loop on the ear wire with your chain nose pliers, just pull that one half of that loop towards you slightly, then feed on your beading hoop. Just let that hang down and use your chain nose pliers to close the loop on the ear wire back up. And then you have some hoop earrings.